what are you supposed to be doing now? Now they wanna act like they're really innocent. Yeah, back in the No Bucks garage, I got my pit crew. Maybe you remember them from, the youngest were trying to hide there. Maybe you remember them from when we got the Mustang II cleaned up. That was, gee whiz, that's been a while. But we're out here in the garage. They're spending spring break with us for this week, so we get to...
It's fall break.
Fall.
Not spring break, fall break.
Fall break. Was that your ASMR? Oh, well. Anyway, here's project for today.
Sparks.
Project for today is
I like sparks.
we are going to remove the door. Actually, I'm going to have my pit crew. Hey, I guess you can call them that.
You're forgetting one thing.
And they are going to remove the... You see, with that much energy, I may not have to do anything but stand here and supervise. What am I forgetting?
Sparks.
Sparks. He wants to play with welder. Last time he got a piece of slag down in his shoe. You should have seen him jumping.
It's not the iced tea.
All right, let me describe to everybody what we're going to be doing. Now, to make this car a little more functional, and to make the process of getting my big 6'4" frame in and out of the car, and Roger's 5'2" frame, and anybody else in and out of the car, on and off a trailer, even though I could actually open the doors with this car on my trailer because of where I lowered my fenders to when I did the trailer rebuild. There's I think it's a 10 video series on the process where I redid that trailer. But back to the Mustang II and the door pins. Now, these things are commercially available, as you know. But here at the No Bucks Garage, we tend to use what we got, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to be removing the door and modifying these hinges to make these doors lift on and lift off. First thing we're going to be doing, though, as you can see very closely, I hope, is the doors have been marked with black paint pen so that I can get the hinges back in the proper location. So we're going to have my pit crew, that one and that one, remove the door, free labor. All right, Karen and Ken, no child labor laws were broken here, so don't call anybody. Anyway, doors coming off. We're going to modify the hinge and shape the pins so that we can make these doors lift on and lift off with ease. So, all right, which one of you is up first? Grab the ratchet. It's got a 13 millimeter socket on it. You're going to pop these things off for me. That's it. Come on, get to work.
All right. Right here?
No, I should have told you. No, we're going to do the inside. The only thing we're going to take off is those three. We got one here, one there, and one right there. Is it in the right direction? Yep, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Okay, so it's on the right side, lefty loosey. I can't fit it in there.
I was just loving trying to figure stuff out.
There you go.
Okay, so what's next? Pull. Pull the ratchet.
Okay.
Oh, they got a long way to go.
I could do it.
Pull the ratchet that way.
Okay.
This might take a little while. He's not gonna get it? You sure? What do you think we need? Longer extension?
Yeah,
Shorter extension?
longer extension.
Go over to the toolbox over there and grab a long extension. Tight. Maybe. Possibly.
No.
Look at the concentration on his face. Look at the determination. Keep this up. We just might have this race car built before you guys go home. Yeah!
No!
Keep working.
Why are you leaving?
Keep working. It's finally fall here in Tennessee, in Nashville in particular. It is beginning. We finally hit at least a change in temperature, highs in the 70s, lows down in the 40s. Round here, first leaves to fall and change are the hackberry and the walnut. Today I saw my first elm tree leaf on the ground in the front yard. Yep, fall's definitely here. Long, down here. Pull. Keep it straight on the head. Pull. Pull. Pull it. See? Ta-da. Got it. I pressed the wrong button. Keep going, you got a little ways to go yet. I haven't had to do a thing yet, even though it's taken half an hour to take out 6 bolts. Ah! Hold the door. All right. Think you can do it?
You what?
Think y'all can hold the door?
Yeah, I can hold the door.
Pull it open. Pull the handle. Pull the handle. Now, see the horses? Let's walk over there.
I can't hold it. Stop playing. I can't hold it.
Pick that door up. Come on, son. Pick it up. Pick it up. You're strong enough. You can do it. You can do it. Lay it on its side. You can do it.
That's light work.
Mission accomplished. That's light work, he says.
It's not even that.
Mission accomplished. Wow, we got it out. And in fact, the door's going to stay off because... What'd you say they were?
Kroger.
That's not Kroger.
Yeah, it says it. That's cool.
Thank you.
Did I
So.
do right? No, I can read it from back here. Because I know the oval shape is blue.
So, the concept that I'm going to do with these is remove the door hinge right here. Going to cut along this fold right here. And then create some type of pin that's going to stick up and allow the door, once it's bolted back onto the hinge, to just slide on the pins, both upper and lower. So I gotta get some cutting tools, so I'm gonna pause. Flip this camera around now that we got the door off. They managed to get the door off finally. I need to look over here. This is so crazy. Let's flip it. With the door off, the next step is to cut off the upper part of the hinge where it's squished. I'd let them do it, but I'll let them do other dangerous stuff later.
I'm calling the authorities.
Ha ha ha. Drive out the original pin.
So this is a phone holder, right?
Yep.
Okay. I don't even know if I can fit this one. My head is too big.
It's one hinge, upper.
Another way, I put my head too big. Yeah, my head's too big.
Kenna, would you like to come with me?
Why?
Because there's a lot of things at the door.
Where are you trying to go to? Your what?
Inside.
To get your what?
To go inside.
To get your what? There's bigger ones.
I mean, please.
No, you don't need to. Because you're talking about you have a vlog.
And you don't have a vlog.
Preserving the pins because they are the same diameter. I believe I could use them to make the removable pins for the door. So the next step in the process, we're going to cut the bottom part of the hinge, door hinge, right along this crease here. After deliberation and consideration,
Oh, Landon.
we're gonna slice these off right here.
Start saying it. Ooh. Not that. I should say thank you for being my shield. You shielded me. As soon as I thought about her. No, look. As soon as I was about to go over here, and then it just touched the fluid. Then the direction I was going. See, it did me dirty for no reason. Why did it not hurt to you? Because he's used to it. He doesn't hurt, and plus he has blood holes. So he's used to it.
Used to what? The sparks? No. They still hurt.
He just doesn't that well.
Will you stop screaming?
Well, you don't scream out loud like that.
Give me my helmet. How you gonna take my helmet? Bro, give me. Give me my helmet, bro.
Great out, Lily.
Lady, try to take my helmet. Give me my helmet.
There you go, you good. Where'd that
Okay, bottom portion of the ears are cut off, leaving only the top portion since the door is going to hang by the top. I left enough material, see where I got a point, there we go. I left enough material right there in the event that I have to take some bracing to go from here to up here to support the doors, because while we are not using fiberglass doors on the Mustang II, we have gutted the doors and making them nearly as light according to most specifications, with the exception of the driver's door. The driver's door still has the regulator in it because for right now we're going to use that to still go up and down. And there's my sometimey pit crew. 2 grandsons, Landon and Caden. They actually took the door off the car, but shucks. Let's go ahead and see if we could trial fit this to see if I got the pins shorter or proper thing. In fact, the original door pins that you see right there were cut. I cut them twice just to see if they would fit properly, and this is the second cut. Now, if they have to be shorter, I'm in trouble. At least with the door pins, we're just using 3/8 bolts and cut them to size if this does not work. So I'm gonna grab some assistance here from 1.5 boys and try to mount these doors. See what we come up with. Walk back. I think I'll call this one a success. I've got a removable door on stock hinges. Not bad. And I'll just have to make a couple of adjustments to the alignment of the door so that it closes
You're talking to us?
even better. I have to weld those pins in place. So
Are you gonna have to grind it?
that's a win. Removable doors.
So we did it?
We did it.
We're done for today?
No, we're just done for this part of it.
Oh, okay.
Now I just got to break out the welder and bring it over here and zap those pins in place so that it'll be fully functional.
I'm not supposed to fit in it.
I'm a tired man.
Please.
We'll leave the No Bucks Garage with Kate and Landon today.
Come on. Let me try.
What?
Tell everybody bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Bye.